today we're going to be learning division. And these are the words you can use instead of division, like share, equally, group, divided by, and split. And this is the division sign. If you look at it in detail, then you can see there's a subtraction sign, splitting these two dots into two groups. So now you have a little clue of what we might be doing today. And this is an easier way to remember the division sign. And this is a really fun way too. So you make the subtraction sign and get your hand and then make two dots, 1 and 2. So now we've done that, you can easily remember that. That's a very easy method you can use. And we'll start with this. So I want to tell you a little bit before we start off with the sums about the most important thing in division, or you won't be able to do division. In division, you always need the bigger number first. So I've got 8 divided by 4 equals 8 is bigger than 4. I'm going to tell you about subtraction too. It's just like the same. So I'm going to change up the numbers a little. Do 6 take away 3 equals, as you can see, they both have the bigger numbers first. They're like the same, but just a little different by the methods. So now I'm going to start with our sum. And I'm going to show you how to do our question. So first, what we're going to do is get my 8 counters. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now we've got 8 counters. What this means is that we're going to get 8 counters and put them in 4 groups. So now let's start doing the process. Let's draw 4 groups. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. So now we've got 4 groups. Now we're going to get all of our 8 counters and put them each group until you've got none left. So let's start. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep carrying on, we're almost there. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now we have not even a single one left. So that means we've done that step. Now we're going to go on the counting time. So in each, as you can see, in each group, there is the same amount of counters. So imagine if I've got sweets and I want to share them with my 4 friends, my 3 best friends, and I want to give them equal amounts so they don't start fighting. So what I would do is give them equal, and as you can see, you can count any because they're all equal. So I'm going to count this 1 and 2. So our answer is 2, and this method is called array. So I want to show you another one with array. So let's start rubbing. Do, 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 do. So I'm going to show you a little different one. It might be a little harder, you might think that, but division is very easy. So there's no time for you to just stop doing division and think it's hard. It's so simple. All you have to do is just listen to the steps. Carefully, especially. So our question is 10 divided by 5 equals. So, as you know, that this means that I need 10 counters and 5 groups. So I'm going to put the 10 counters in 5 groups. So I'm going to get 10 counters. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 counters. Now we're going to make 5 circles. This might take a little bit of time, but doing array, of course. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're finished with that step. Now let's go on with the counting step. So what we're going to do, we've got 10, and just like I said in the last question, we are going to count all of these in each of the groups, and then what we're going to do is start counting them. Find the answer because we really want to know the answer. So let's start quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we're finished, and that took a little time, of course. And now, as you can see, we've got 2 in every group. So, what's our answer? 2. So now, we've got 2 in every one. And that's almost the end of our video. But I want to give you a little tip. So, I'm going to bring somebody in to help me do this. Could you come in, please? This is my special guest. Hello, it's Nimrit. And I'm going to show you a little way. So, just pretend we're the shoelaces. And we are going to tie ourselves. And this is multiplication. But then division, they undo it and turn it into division. So whenever you're tying a shoelace, remember about what you are doing is exactly what multiplication and division do. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So I'll see you. Bye. And you might be and also opposite in math is actually called inverse. They're different, but it's maths. So guys, that's it. Oh wait, don't go yet. I have to show you something really quick. I'm going to show you the inverse. So you see these two numbers? We're going to times these. Now let me think of the answer. What do we have to think? It's right here, so I'm going to show you this sum. 5 times 2 equals 10. So, we use the same numbers, but still, it was the inverse. Somehow, it's like magic. Magic. just the answer just poofs out of nowhere. So now you know this is really